Text, child passenger safety tips.
Okay.
A man speaks to the camera. Text, Fernando San Miguel, certified child passenger safety technician.
We have a lot to cover in a short amount of time. Are you with me? First, properly using a car seat is the best way to protect your child in a crash. Second, it's the law here in Colorado. Parents and caregivers are responsible for properly restraining children under 15 and will be ticketed if they fail to do so.
A woman places her infant in a car seat and puts the car seat in the back seat of the car.
So, let's talk about seat fit. Roughly, it goes like this. Newborns to 3-year-olds go in a rear-facing seat. This protects their head, neck, and spine.
The woman buckles her infant into the car seat. The seatbelt harness is snug at the shoulders and comes down over the infant's torso to buckle between the legs.
Kids aged 2 to 5 go in a forward-facing seat.
A woman buckles her small child into a forward-facing car seat. She adjusts the harness to ensure that it fits snugly over their torso.
Kids age 4 all the way up to 12 can use a high back booster or backless booster depending on their size, height, and weight.
A woman uses the car's seatbelt to secure her young daughter in her high-backed booster seat. Her mother smiles and gives her daughter a high five.
It's important to note that kids can use a seatbelt if they're big enough. Sometimes that's not until age 12.
An older child puts on a seatbelt in the back seat of a car. Text, ages 9 and older. Seatbelts if they are big enough. Sometimes that's not until age 12.
Got all that? We hope so. Next, let's cover some basic installation. This may seem obvious, but first and foremost, the car seat must be attached to the vehicle.
A metal anchor has been secured in the seat. The anchor is secured between the seat and backrest. A tether is attached to the anchor.
This can be done using anchors or the belt, but never both. The tethers are important too. That brings me to my next point, which is each car seat is slightly different.
A different configuration demonstrates an alternative anchor placement behind the seat and at the bottom. A high-back car seat is placed in the seat and a tether is routed beneath the headrest of the seat and secured to the anchor at the bottom of the seat. The tether is pulled snugly, securing the car seat. A manual for an even flow car seat is held open to be read.
Make sure that you read your car seat's owner's manual and your vehicle's owner's manual to understand the parts and tips used for installation.
Text. For more information, visit carseatscolorado.com.
Head to carseatscolorado.com to find an inspection station near you to ensure your car seat is properly installed.
A man in a law enforcement uniform with a badge hung around his neck speaks to the camera. Text, Corporal Ivan Alvarado, Colorado State Patrol.
In addition to installation issues, there's other mistakes parents are frequently making regarding safely restraining their kids. Number 1, turning around a rear-facing seat too soon.
A man turns around a rear-facing car seat.
2, using harness straps that are too loose.
A child's harness has too much slack over the shoulder.
3, moving your kid out of a booster seat too soon. And 4, using car seats that are expired.
A man turns over a car seat and points to the expiration date on a sticker.
Expired car seats are dangerous. Every seat has an expiration date. If it is not printed on the seat, check with the manufacturer.
A woman follows along with her finger as she reads the expiration date on her car seat.
And finally, remember to never use a car seat that has been in a crash. And don't use a car seat if you don't know its full history. All of this information is vital for your child's safety. Car Seats Colorado is dedicated to keeping our kids safe on Colorado roadways.
Fernando speaks to the camera.
With certified technicians and inspection stations, multilingual guides, installation information, and the latest law updates, CarSeatsColorado.com is your go-to website for your child's safety.
A child in a car seat throws his arms in the air with excitement. A 4-color logo snaps into place like a seatbelt buckle. Text, Car Seats Colorado, CarSeatsColorado.com.